Alright, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to merge weapon, inventory and weapon kit with custom movement. I'm going to try to go slow so that you can catch up and see what happens. Alright, so let's start by opening the blueprints. This should be actually pretty easy. Example character and example character. Copy these two and shove them right here. Also, you want to go here, find skeleton, and delete the skeleton that's attached to custom character. That would be inventory and weapon projectile, weapon project file environment special. Should be somewhere down the bottom, if I'm not mistaken. But you should only have like 2. If you're doing this from scratch, I have a lot of things that I'm merging together and I'm working with, so that's why I have a lot of these. So just keep that in mind. Alright, replace references, okay. As far as I know, I don't think there was anything else that I would do as far as the skeleton goes, so whatever. What we want to do is we want to reopen all of those blueprints up, and yeah, I'll eventually end up doing a video for all of these. I don't know when. I'll just put one out periodically. Okay, so here we go. Jesus Christ. Custom movement, yeah. That's what I was looking. I'm sorry, I got terrible. Okay, so we want to go here to the event graph for this and make sure that there's nothing in here that we need. Apparently there isn't. However, make sure you also check class settings and class defaults. Because a lot of different blueprints they use these interfaces, and you definitely want to be aware of that. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, next what we want to do is we want to go into the BP example character. Now my blueprint's going to be a little different because I've already been doing like a lot of modding to it, so it's going to not look the same as yours. So keep that in mind. But for the most part, it should be explainable. It shouldn't be too difficult to figure it out. Okay. So teach you guys about the combo system later. Alright, so this is the movement and push. Be careful when you pick these up, because if you have other stuff that's attached to it, that's what's going to happen. All I wanted to do is this right here. Okay, with this here, what we're going to do is disregard this. This is for something else that I created. We're going to copy this. Control V. Okay. And then also you want to go here, add component, import a custom movement component. That'll populate the variable. Alright. Next you want to create this macro. Copy the whole thing over, and then right over here, the macro, Control V, and what's going to happen is we're just going to rename it. You know, if you're not sure what the name is, just hit rename on the actual one, copy it over, bring it down. Name, paste it in, you're good. Alright. Now we have one input and then two, the true and the false going out the outputs, right? So now we go here. True. Yeah. Oh, save. And now that's done. And so what that does is that it tells your blueprint if you're in the middle of a character movement, right? Because like we can't copy this over like right there. We can't copy this over like paste, it won't work. So now what we do is, since we just got that, go here, and we go here, and now we can take your new thing that you just created, go here. Also make sure that move forward is input up and move input right is move right, so that way you don't run into trouble later. False. True. Over to there. And then we same thing here. False. Alright, now that that's all set. Now this variable right here I created, that's for something completely different. You don't have to worry about it. You won't have it. That's, you know, so it doesn't really mean anything to you, unless you're doing what I did, but whatever, I'll explain that later on. And also you want to make sure that you input the axis values, right? So axis values. And access that. Okay. And now it's going to know when you're moving. Next. What we're going to do is you have to go here to class settings, add interface, and PPI custom movement. Let me just double check. Yep, custom movement character. Class settings, add PPI custom movement character. And then what you want to do after that is you want to go here to interface. If you don't do this, it's not going to work. Right? You're going to check that out. And then you're going to do it over here too. And you're going to compare what you have to what's on, right? So this is fine. And this is good. Let's see how this is checked. You got to make sure that it's checked over here too. See, it's not checked. Now it is. Also here, you want to put this in here because that's how the original one is. So keep that in mind so that you don't run into that trouble later. Compile, save, and then what you want to do is, I believe that actually does it for the example character. But let me just double check to make certain. Oh yeah, there's a couple more things that we need to do. See these right here? These need to be copied. First, you want to copy these ones. Copy. And I'm going to put those somewhere in your graph. Right here is fine. And then you also want to copy, after you get these on here copied, then what you want to do is you want to find your jump, which for me is right here. I'm going to teach you guys how to do a better jump later on, but for now, let's just go with this. So, yeah, we're going to copy this. Oh, basically, we just want to copy this because this custom movement's not going to work. And copy it over here. Control V. And then drag your macro that you created over here. Bam. Right? If it's false, it's going to jump. If it's true, it's going to exit custom movement. Right? And then just double check, make sure that that's exactly how it's set up over here. It is. And aside from that, there shouldn't be anything else. Compile, save. And then just to, kind of fix everything around, what you want to do after that is you want to go into where your example character is in your custom. I do this sometimes because I'm trying to make sure that any reference that they might have already saved. So what you're going to do is make sure that you save all, because this is most likely going to crash. It usually does. So keep that in mind. It's nothing to really worry about. But the purpose of what I'm doing right now is I'm going to duplicate it just in case you need it later, like you need to copy anything from it later. And then what you want to do is you want to go and hit delete, right? And then you can find your example blueprint, which is the one that you're using. The example character. And replace references. Okay. And this might crash. Just hit send and restart. Don't worry about the crash. It does that. It'll probably crash like 1 or 2 more times. All you have to do is just keep doing it, and it'll stop crashing eventually. It does that because it's in the memory already. So then you just go back to custom movement, blueprints, example character, and again, I forgot to save it after I duplicated it, so yeah, that's why that happened. Delete, and then pick your thing again. See, and it didn't crash this time. Okay. Now that that's done, you can eventually delete these. I'm leaving them in for now because I gotta check something out. I want to make sure that everything works first. So now, to check to see if it works, what you want to do is you want to go into the custom movement. Then just kind of type in map, and then the custom demo map should pop up, and just click on it, and then play and see if it works. This isn't really working for me right now, and I know why. The reason why it's not working is because it's using the wrong blueprint. So I need to fix that. So let me show you how to do that. Alright, so well, it kind of technically works, but the reason why it's not working is because of where I put it, right? Contacts. We want to go into where is that inventory? Okay, project files. Yeah. I had added some other code here, and that's why it didn't work, because this piece of code wasn't supposed to be here, so it's not attached to the rest of my blueprint. So that's why that happened. So now when I hit compile, it should work. You should, if you followed everything along, you shouldn't have that problem, but I did because of, errors, mistakes we made. So yeah, and that should get everything going for you. Jump off it. Now, obviously, if you look, I have different. I created my own locomotion, so it's gonna look a little different from yours, like when you're like actually moving on foot. Let me show that in a second. Jump off here. Alright, so if you're moving around, see how I got the curves and, like the returns, the leans? That's part of my personal locomotion stuff. Also, I added a melee kit. Well, sort of. I have to kind of work it out. I haven't finished fixing it yet, but, yeah, this is the problem I have right here. If I press it too fast, it doesn't finish the montage, so, that's work That's a work in progress. That's why I'm not making a video of it just yet. But